Hello everyone, I am Prince. I will speak about the types of plants. Plants are divided three types. They are herbs, shrubs, and tree. Herbs. Example of herbs is roots and palak pata. Example of shrubs is rose and jasmine. Example of shrubs tree is mango and apple. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Lena. Good morning, everyone. My name is Divanshi. I am telling about parts of a plant. This is a this is a flower. This is a leaf. This is a root. This is a stem. This is a bun. The flower is most colorful part of the plant. The leaf make food for the plant. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arnav. I am from class 6. I will speak about the function of root. The roots hold the plant together. They carry water and minerals from the soil. They prevent soil erosion. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jigar. I am from 6th standard. I will speak about the function of stem and uses of plant. Function of stem. They hold the plant straight. They carry food, water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Uses of plant. Plants give oxygen, they give shade, they give rain, they reduce pollution and they make the earth much cooler. Thank you.
Thank you, Jigar. My name is Hetal. I am study is sixth standard. Now st- we we should plant more tree to reduce global warming. We also not cut down tree. Thank you.